Hi there, students. Long-winded, an adjective. Long-windedly, an adverb, and the noun for the quality, long-windedness. Okay, if you describe something as long-winded, you're criticizing it because it's a lot longer than necessary. Most commonly, this is used about a speech or somebody talking or somebody writing, but you could use it to talk about a method of doing something. So the teacher gave such a long-winded explanation that everybody fell asleep. Yeah, they all nodded off. So something that's long-winded is tiresome, it's boringly verbose, just using lots and lots and lots of words where only a few words are necessary. Okay, so something that's long-winded, yeah, it uses a lot of time. Yeah, they had a very long-winded discussion about which of the two products was better. Yeah, they talked about it long-windedly. He explained so long-windedly that it gets complicated by the end and I can't understand it. The long-windedness of his explanations is just too much for me. Okay, so verbose, wordy, yeah, rambling, prolonged, yeah, long drawn out, yeah, prolix as well. Yeah, somebody who suffers from logorrhea. Yeah, don't use one word when you can use 10. Okay, so long-winded, a long-winded speech, a long-winded article, a long-winded letter. Yeah, if you call something long-winded, you're being disapproving. Yeah, you're saying that it takes a lot longer than necessary. Yeah, this is more than loquacious. Loquacious is much less critical, but if something's long-winded, it just goes on forever. Yeah, he uses such a long-winded method of preparing the food for cooking that, well, it's just tedious. It just goes on and on for a long time. Let's see. I guess you could also use this if somebody's long-winded. They don't get short of breath. Yeah, so long-winded. And I guess that's the idea of the origin of this, is somebody who can talk forever. They've got, they don't run out of breath to talk with. Okay, so long-winded. As to formality, long-winded, I think I'm going to give this a 4 in formality. Use it informally, use it semi-formally, but I wouldn't use it in anything very formal. Yeah, excessively verbose, something like that. Okay, so long-winded, rambling, lengthy, long and tedious, boring, going on and on and on. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope my explanation has not been too long-winded. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Long-winded.